Hello dear students, in this lecture we will learn image formation by lens. Okay, so it is also a very important topic and every year in board examination a question comes from this topic. Okay, so I hope you all know what are the rules of image formation by lens. So before watching this video lecture you first learn the rules of image formation by lens. Okay, so let's start this lecture. So first we start with the image formation by convex lens. Okay, so our first case is when object is situated at infinity. जब ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो कहाँ पर है, इन्फिनिटी पर. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ convex lens. Okay, c1 c2 is a principal axis, o is a optical center. Okay, as we know for a lens there is two principal focus, first principal focus and second principal focus. Okay, so we have both sides, this is f dash and f. Okay, so this is a principal focus and this is also a principal focus. Now the distance between optical center and the principal focus is called focal length. So the focal length will remain same on both sides. This side distance of from o to f dash is same as distance from o to f. Okay, now each point like after f to 2f, so distance between f to 2f is equal to the distance between o to f. o से लेके f तक की जो डिस्टेंस है वही डिस्टेंस f से लेके 2f तक की होगी. ठीक है, सिमिलरली इस जगह भी जो डिस्टेंस o से f डैश की है वही डिस्टेंस f डैश से कहाँ पर होगी, 2f डैश की भी होगी. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी बिकॉज आवर ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड एट इन्फिनिटी, तो इन्फिनिटी से जो रेज आएंगी वो क्या होंगी, these rays are parallel to each other like this. So these are the two rays coming from the infinity, so these rays are parallel to each other. Okay, now we have a rule that if the rays are parallel to principal axis, okay, then after refraction they will pass through the principal focus. ठीक है, ये रूल है कि अगर जो रेज है वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल आके इंसिडेंट होती हैं लेंस पर. ओके, तो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद वो क्या होंगी, दे विल पास थ्रू प्रिंसिपल फोकस. सो लेट्स सी हियर. सो दिस रे आल्सो आफ्टर पासिंग थ्रू a lens, after refraction through lens it will pass through principal focus. Again this after refraction from this convex lens it will also pass through this principal focus. Now you can see that both these rays are meeting at point f dash. ओके, तो जहाँ पर भी रेज रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद एक दूसरे से मिलती है, मीट करती हैं, वहाँ पर हमारा क्या होता है, इमेज फॉर्म होती है. ठीक है, तो इन दिस केस इमेज विल फॉर्म एट एफ डैश. इमेज कहाँ पर फॉर्म होगी, एफ डैश पर फॉर्म होगी. ठीक है, तो जो इमेज फॉर्म होगी उसका साइज क्या होगा, पॉइंट लाइक साइज या डिमिनिश्ड. ओके, ये दिख ही रहा है आपको डेट ये दोनों यहाँ पर दीज टू रेज आर कटिंग एट दिस पॉइंट एफ डैश. तो ये जो इमेज यहाँ बन रही है, दिस इमेज इज लाइक अ पॉइंट लाइक इमेज. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी these points. Position of object infinity, position of image at f dash, size of image extremely diminished, and nature of image is real and inverted. You can see in coming cases why it is inverted. Okay, real is why it is real, because these reflected rays are actually meeting at this point, so that this image is real. Okay, so let's move to next case. So in case 2 object is situated between infinity and 2f. तो अब जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है वो कहाँ पर है, इन्फिनिटी और 2f के बीच में. दिस ए बी इज अ object and this object is between infinity and 2f. So to form a image we required only two rays, at least two rays we required. Okay, so let's see. So this is a first ray, this first ray is passing from optical center. So we have a rule that when the ray will pass through optical center it will pass undeviated. ठीक है, जो अगर इंसिडेंट रे जो है वो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर पे इंसिडेंट हो रही है तो वहाँ से वो अनडेविएटेड पास हो जाएगी. ठीक है, सो ये फर्स्ट रे हो गई हमारी. नाउ टेक अ सेकेंड रे. सो दिस इज अ सेकेंड रे, दिस रे इज कमिंग पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. तो अगेन हमारे पास रूल है कि अगर रे जो है इंसिडेंट रे पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आती है तो रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद क्या होगी, वो प्रिंसिपल फोकस से पास हो जाएगी, ठीक है। तो ये रे आई, दिस रे इज पैरेलल टू principal axis, so after refraction it will pass through principal focus. Now these two rays are cutting each other at this point, or they are meeting at this point after refraction, so our image will form at this point. So a dash b dash denotes image, a dash b dash denotes image. Okay, now you can see that image will form between f dash and 2f dash. इमेज कहाँ पर फॉर्म हो रही है, f dash और 2f dash के बीच में। एक और चीज आप देख सकते हैं, डेट दिस इमेज इज रिवर्स ऑफ अ ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन बट आवर इमेज इज इन अ डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, सो इमेज इज इन्वर्टेड also because these rays are actually meeting at this point, so that image is real. Okay, so let's see all these points. So here AB is size of object, A dash B dash is size of image, position of object is between infinity and 2f. Okay, position of image f dash and 2f dash, you can see f dash 2f dash, यहाँ पर image बन रही है हमारी। size of image is diminished, you can see here size of image is lesser than object size, object size से कम है image का size, तो इसलिए हम क्या बोलेंगे इसको diminished, ठीक है। nature of image, so real because these rays after refraction actually meeting at this point, so real और inverted because object जो है वो upward direction में था हमारा और जो image है वो कैसी है, downward direction में, तो ये क्या है, inverted है। okay, so let's move to a next case. So this is a third case when object is situated at 2f. तो अब की बार हमारा जो object है, our object is at 2f, so AB is a object. Now this object is at 2f, so let's see, again we required only two rays, so here is two rays. Okay, so one is passing through optical center, so it will pass through undeviated. Okay, now second one is parallel to principal axis, so after refraction it will pass through principal focus. So let's see, it will pass through principal focus. Now these two rays after refraction actually meeting at this point. Okay, so here our image will form. So a dash b dash is a image. Now you can see that when object is situated at 2f, image will form at 2f dash. Okay, अगर object हमारा 2f पर है तो image कहाँ form हो रही है हमारी, 2f dash पर form हो रही है, ठीक है। Second thing, the size of image is same as size of object, जो size of object है उसी size की हमारी जो है वो image ही बनेगी। Now third and important thing is the image is real and inverted. Okay, now because these two rays are actually meeting at this point a dash, so that image form is real, and because it is in a downward direction, our objective was in a upward direction. Objective जो था हमारा, object जो था वो upward direction में था और image जो है वो कैसी है, downward direction में है, तो ये क्या है, inverted है। Okay, so let's see all these points. Here you can see that AB size of object, A dash B dash size of image. Now position of object at 2f, position of image at 2f dash. Okay, size of image same size as object, and nature of image real and inverted. Okay, now let's move to next topic, next case. Next case is when object is situated between f and 2f. So let's see a diagram very quickly. So here you can see that object AB is between f and 2f. Okay, so we required only two rays, so this is a first ray, pass through optical center, so it will pass undeviated. Another ray is coming parallel to principal axis, so after refraction it will pass through principal focus. Okay, now after refraction both of these rays are cutting at this point. Okay, so here our image will form a dash b dash, यहाँ पर कट कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर हमारी इमेज बन जाएगी a dash b dash. Okay, now you can see that image will form beyond 2f dash. इमेज जो हमारी बन रही है वो कहाँ बन रही है, beyond 2f dash, ठीक है। सेकेंड थिंग आप देखेंगे that size of image is greater than size of object, so our image is enlarged. इसको क्या बोलेंगे, हमारी इमेज जो है वो कैसी है, enlarged है, this image is enlarged. Now next is nature. So nature, you can see that these rays are actually meeting at this point, so image form is real and it is inverted. Why? Because it is in a downward direction, object was in a upward direction, so this object this image is real and inverted. Okay, now let's move to next case. So next case is when object is situated at F. Okay, so let's see this diagram. So this is object, the AB, this object is situated at focus, principal focus F. Okay, so again we required only two rays, so take two rays. So these are the two rays. First will pass through optical center undeviated. Okay, another one is parallel to principal axis. So after refraction it will pass through principal focus. Okay, so now as you can see, these two refracted rays are parallel to each other. So if you extend them in a forward direction, they will never cut each other. In also if you extend them in a backward direction, also they will never cut each other. Okay, so in this case we can say that the image will form at infinity. Okay, in this case what we say that the image will form at infinity. Okay, now let's see these points again. AB, size of object, A dash B dash, size of image. Now position of object is at F, here F. So this AB is object, it is at F. So position of image, we say that image will form at infinity. Image, size of image, we say that it is extremely enlarged. Okay, image of a size will be extremely enlarged and nature is real and inverted. Okay, now let's move to next case, case 6. So it is a important case when object is situated between F and O, principal focus and optical center. Okay, so let's see this. So this is our object. This object is situated between F and O. F और O के बीच में कहीं पर है ये AB. Again we required only two rays, so draw a ray diagram. So this is a ray diagram. You can see that this first ray will pass through optical center, so it will pass through undeviated. Okay, another ray, this ray is parallel to principal axis, so after refraction it will pass through principal focus. Okay, now if you extend them in a forward direction, so they will never cut each other. Okay, they will never cut each other if you extend them in a forward direction, but if you extend them in a backward direction, let's see. So if you extend them in a backward direction, they will cut each other at somewhere this point. Okay, so they seems to cut each other at somewhere this point, and here our image will form at this point. Here our image will form, and this image is A dash B dash. This image will form and this image is A dash B dash. Okay, so AB is size of object, A dash B dash size of image. Now position of object is between focus, principal focus and optical center O. Okay, now position of image is beyond F. You can see here beyond F and at the same side of a object. जहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट रखा था उसी साइड पर ये जो है आपकी इमेज भी फॉर्म होगी. Now you can see that image is size of image is extremely enlarged. Size of image is extremely enlarged and nature of image is virtual and erect. Okay, you can see that because we extend them in a backward direction, so they seems to cut each other at this point where our image will form. Okay, so this image is virtual and erect. The application of this case is in a magnifying glass. So the magnifying glass we use, so in magnifying glass we put a object in between principal focus and optical center, so that we will get a virtual, erect and enlarged image. Okay, so these are the 6 cases for the convex lens. Okay, let's see cases for concave lens, image formation by a concave lens. So first case we are taking is when object is situated at infinity. Okay, so now again when the object is situated at infinity, so that the rays are coming are parallel to each other. Object infinity पर है तो rays जो आनी वो क्या है, एक दूसरे के parallel है. Now we know that concave lens is a diverging lens. Okay, तो रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद जो रेज होंगी, रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज, वो क्या हो जाएंगी, डाइवर्ज हो जाएंगी. कुछ इस तरीके से देखें आप, these are the refracted rays. ठीक है, so these rays are diverging. Okay, so they will never cut each other if we extend them forward, they will never cut each other. But if you extend them in a backward direction, let's see what happens.